There you go. Gotta use the right hand, you know. Too much of mine.
Jason can drive me home.
We could Uber you.
Explain while I taste it.
Very sweet, soft.
Okay, we are trying the Stella Rosa Platinum French Vanilla. We're gonna try this for the first time and see if we like it. So swirl it and cheers. Karen, come on, cheers. And let's try.
Ooh,
Oh,
very subtle.
I like that.
Mm-hmm.
It's very subtle.
Mm-hmm. It's like juice.
Wow, but you taste the vanilla.
You do.
I would have.
Wow, I'm getting some of those.
I would have never thought this was good.
Mm-hmm.
This is like, how do you explain this to people?
To me, it's like a champagne-ish. The taste of it a little bit, but doesn't have the bubbly of a champagne.
And to me, it tastes like a sparkling water with a hint of vanilla and a taste of just sweetness. Mm-hmm. That's how I would explain it. It is really, really good.
Really good.
1 to a 10. 10 being the best.
This is something that I'm gonna go back to the store and get some more.
I would give this a solid, solid 9.5.
Oh yeah.
What would you give it?
A 10.
10. Yeah, this is really
Let's
good.
go try the other one.
Okay, now we're gonna try the Stella Rosa Golden Honey Peach. Just so you guys know, I love the peach flavor, but this is Golden Honey Peach. So I already poured Karen some. We're gonna try this together. Cheers. I really don't smell peach, but we're gonna try it. I smell more like champagne. That's, wow.
To me, it has more of like an alcoholish smell and taste to it.
Mm-hmm. And to me, it's very pungent in honey.
Yes. So I'm not trying to compare both of it right now, but I'm buying 4 more bottles of the platinum one.
And I could honestly say that I would give this a 9.5, just like that other one. I could buy more of this.
To me, I'd probably buy 5 of those platinum one and maybe like just 1 or 2 of the golden one. I'm not a fan of it, but it's good.
So you get a strong aftertaste of peach. You really do. You get a strong honey and a strong peach. But this would be, I could see eating pasta with this.
Yeah.
This would be perfect with pasta because it has that little bit of a bite to it.
Yeah, it does. It does.
But the
whereas that one is more like smooth.
That one is so smooth and it's like like a sparkling water with flavor to me, with that hint of vanilla.
Oh,
but this tastes like something you would drink when you're dining.
Well said.
So not out of 10, what did you give this one?
I give this one like I want to say like an 8.5. Whereas the platinum one, which is this one right here, I give this one like a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I actually love both. Honestly, love both.
And I have a different,
but they're for totally 2 different things.
Yeah, definitely.
Like
this one, I could drink every day.
This one I feel. Okay, so this one I feel like if it's hot outside and you need a refresher, like just like something to feel like you're hydrated, I would go with this. Yep. This one is totally that one right here is totally dinner. Like with pasta. Yep. This is so good. A lot of people would consider this a dessert wine though.
Oh yeah.
Very, very good. Okay, so I'm all sweaty, just finished cooking dinner, and I thought that I would open this new bottle of Stella and let you guys know what this tastes like before my family gets here to eat. So this is a green apple. Let me show you guys dinner, what I'm making for dinner. The green apple, that's what it looks like. It's nice and green. Okay, so let's open it up, see what this tastes like. What I understand from my friends is that this is really good. But I don't know if I had mentioned before that I don't like really strong flavored alcohol, like, you know, where it tastes like you're drinking hard alcohol or anything like that. So I'm a wimp when it comes to like that strong taste. Honey, I can't open this. Can you open this for me? We just took it out of the fridge. You can see it's sweating. See? There you go.
Open it for you?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
It's too hard.
Nothing is too hard for me. There you go.
You're gonna try this with me? Yes, come try this with me. Oh my gosh.
Try it with you?
Yeah, try a little bit with me.
Okay. I was gonna drink my red.
Okay, you wanna try it first and then explain? What's it smell like? Apples or no?
Oh, yes, very fruity.
He is a heavy wine drinker. Explain while I taste it.
Very sweet. Soft. Very light to the taste. And you can taste the oak flavor from the barrels. So good. So fruity.
Very, very, very good. But when I smell it, I smell like a sour green apple candy. It's exactly what it smells like. Very, very candy-like smell. So it's very pleasant to smell. When I taste it, it's very fruity, like he was saying, but so extremely subtle in the alcohol taste. Like it tastes like a bubbly, fruity, non-alcoholic drink, but you know it has alcohol because it has just a little bit of a bite that where you know it has alcohol. This to me is a perfect light wine with cheese and crackers, or actually if it's a hot day outside, this is a very, very flavorful, fruity, light tasting wine that it doesn't feel like you're drinking something heavy. So I give this one probably a 9 out of 10. Okay, so this is the first time I poured her a glass of the green apple. Let's see her opinion.
Ooh.
Let's hear
Ooh,
her.
it smells like Capri Sun.
A Capri Sun, okay.
A Capri Sun. There's alcohol in this? No, there is not.
Tell me the flavor.
Apple, greenish apple. Really good. We're recording.
1 to a 10.
I would buy a lot of these. So if you were to compare to the one that we had last time, I think I'm gonna buy more of these ones because this tastes like juice.
Okay, so this one was the more expensive one. It was like $15 for the bottle. It's Stella Royale. I have no idea why it's more expensive. If you know, maybe you can comment in the comment section, but we are gonna open this bad boy and test it out right now. Let's see. You wanna do the honors, Karen?
Of course.
Turn my knob. Turn it harder.
There you go. Gotta use the right hand, you know.
Too much wine.
We got dirty minds and we haven't learned by now. Okay, wait, how did you do it? You wanted to, hold on. They say you pour like this and then you turn it so it doesn't drip. There you go. Look at that. Perfection.
Gosh.
So they
Wow,
serve.
you learned.
Okay, so let's try it. Wait, you gotta get in camera. Okay, so what does it smell like? Well, they can't even see you.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Ooh, that
smells strong.
Ooh.
It smells like a real heavy
like a heavy-
wine.
But it's kind of like bubbly too. Look at it.
Limited bottling. Okay.
I don't even know what I'm trying.
Oh, look, this is more on the dry side because we normally
yeah.
drink like a 5, 6.
6, 7, yeah.
This is a 3.
Oh, let's see. Cheers. Okay, not bad.
Not bad.
But,
this
this
tastes-
is for like dinner.
This is like a traditional wine.
Right. Like dinner.
Just not as... Ooh. It's like how... Not... You know how a real traditional wine that's not low alcohol has like that bite to it.
Yeah.
This one tastes like
is
it
really
without
dry.
the bite.
Doesn't have that fruity.
No, it tastes like a regular Cabernet Sauvignon, just more on the fruity side.
Yeah.
It's good.
That went down the wrong hole. Oh, that's strong. Cut and edit. Cheers.
I think we've had too much wine. Okay. It's good, guys, but this is more like with a steak, right?
I agree.
Red wine with a steak?
Not like the green apple one. That one was really good.
Oh, yeah,
That
so if you couldn't hear what she was saying about the green apple because of all the music in the background, tell them.
it was really good. It's something I could just drink because you're thirsty.
Are you kidding me? I poured her a glass this tall and she went gulp like it was water.
It tasted like Capri Sun,
Yeah,
basically.
it was really good. But she said it smelled like an apple. I said it smelled like a sour apple candy.
No, green apple.
It was really
Like Granny
It was
Smith, I think
it was
that's what
just
it's
as
called.
good as the French vanilla.
Yes, French vanilla was amazing.
But it was
I would have those two all the time in this house.
agreed.
Yeah. Because that's something that you could drink, you know, in the morning with your breakfast. I don't know, something. 'Cause it's fruity. You gotta have your servings of your fruit.
breakfast.
Yes, you gotta have some
Because it's
kind
5
of.
o'clock somewhere.
And then you gotta have 5 servings of fruits.
Oh yeah,
So that's like 5.
Make sure you do your
glass.
bottle of day.
5 glass of your fruit. You know.
1 to a 10.
If I'm having steak, it would be a 9.
If you're
I
having
like
steak,
it.
yes.
I like
But this
it.
is not an everyday let's sip.
No.
This is a dinner wine.
Yes. When you're going out.
No wonder it's more expensive because it tastes more like a wine.
Did you
wine.
show them that it's a 3?
No, I didn't.
Because we normally, let me get 1.
So 1, 2, 3, and this says 3 on the drier side, and then this is a rose which we haven't tried yet.
But this is normally what we get.
Yeah,
Like a 6 or 7.
it shows from the dry to the sweet. So this bad boy is a little bit more expensive, but if you have like more serious wine drinkers that love Cabernets,
It's sweet.
they would like that.
It's sweet too. So I like it.
Okay,
Yeah.
should we try the blush while we're here?
I mean, I'm down for it.
I'm down.
But it's rose.
Jason can drive me home.
We could Uber you.
We can Uber.
There you go.
2 blocks away.
Or you could start walking.
All right, let's try it.
It's not too far.
No, you shouldn't drink, mix your alcohols, but
Yeah.
we obviously have. Okay, let's do it. Do you want to turn my knob?
My right hand can do it. Ooh, look at that. Ow,
Okay, wait.
Wait, where are you going to turn?
Wait.
Don't turn
Okay.
yet when you're not even done. You're already turning. It has a pink color to it. That's kind of cute.
And this is the rose. Yeah, it has a pink color. How does it smell?
Oh, like candy-ish.
Yeah, I agree. Maybe not.
No, it's candy-ish. It's like one of those gummy
But-
candies.
Like a gummy, yes, but not like a chocolate candy
No,
or
no,
not
no,
like
no.
like a Jolly Rancher candy.
No, that's too strong. But like a gummy.
It smells like a gummy.
Cheers.
I like this.
Wow.
It reminds me of like rose. I don't know.
Reminds me of bachelor party. This will be a nice.
It's very smooth. It's
It has that like bubbly effect, I guess, but not too much.
I know it's gonna sound silly, but I feel like I'm drinking a rose.
It doesn't taste like rose.
To me, it's like floral, not fruity. Is that just me, or maybe?
No, you're right. Yeah.
I mean, it sounds stupid that I'm.
No, maybe we're just thinking because it's
says
labeled rose, but if the label was taken out, let's try again.
Okay, so it's fruity floral, or is that just?
Honestly, it's like a gummy to me.
It's
Like
like
some kind of gummy. Light pink, light strawberry-ish. I'm still on the fruity side instead of floral. A hint of floral for
Maybe
me.
strawberry-ish. Yeah.
Yes.
I can see where you're coming.
You know, like gummies, but the light flavor.
I don't know why I'm having a hard time describing this one. It's very good though.
Well, you have a hard time describing it because you've already had so many glasses of different kinds of wines today.
Is it your favorite?
My favorite is the green apple.
Because this one's stronger than the green
And then-
apple.
What? No,
This
it's
one's
not.
like flavor-wise stronger
Oh, flavor-wise?
than the green apple. This one has more of that. I don't know, a little bit more on the champagne side
Because of the bubbles?
because of the bubbles. But it's smooth, but it has a little bit of a. I don't know. You describe it. Your taste buds are complete. Her sense of smell is completely different than mine too.
I might need a refill. I'm just kidding.
No. I need an accurate description.
Then you can twist.
Okay.
Bubbly. Very mildly on the gummyish, strawberryish, peaches flavor to me. Just a little bit of hint of floral on it.
No, you know what? My taste buds are my palate is pretty darn good.
Oh.
Because it says here, flavors of wild mountain berries and rose petals.
Oh.
And I said
So
rose.
but they labeled it rose.
No, but I taste rose.
Because it's labeled rose.
No, I'm just like, I just thought the rose was the color of it. But
Oh.
it actually has rose petals in it.
Petals in it.
And that's what I was tasting.
Can you imagine how it's going to taste like when you actually put rose petals in
Ooh,
Some
maybe next
people-
time I'll do that for your wedding. Ooh. Be like, here you go.
it? With roses in it.
Anyways, guys, that is the end of our review for these few bottles of wine that we have put down just for you guys. You know, this job's really hard. Let me tell
Very
you.
hard work. We did a good job at it. Though.
We did. We started at 11 o'clock the other day, and today we started at...
A decent time.
yeah.
7:30.
Exactly. So if you guys like this video and want to see more videos like it, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie, and this is...
Karen.
We're
bye.
out. Bye.